LBRY is a decentralized content sharing platform that allows creators to monetize their content through cryptocurrency. Here are 12 ways to make money online with LBRY in 2024. 1. Create and share original content. The most obvious way to make money on LBRY is by creating and sharing original content. This could be anything from videos, music, ebooks, or any other type of digital content that people are willing to pay for. The more unique your content is, the more likely it is to attract an audience and generate revenue. 2. Join a community. LBRY has a large community of creators and users who share their content on the platform. Joining this community can help you learn about new trends, techniques, and strategies for making money on LBRY. You can also collaborate with other creators to create joint projects and share the revenue. 3. Use LBRY's built-in tools. LBRY provides a range of tools and features that can help you optimize your content for revenue generation. These include analytics, tags, and metadata that can help your content rank higher in search results and attract more views. 4. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your content and building an audience. Use platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to share your LBRY content and engage with your followers. This can help you attract more views and generate more revenue. 5. Collaborate with brands. Brands are increasingly turning to decentralized platforms like LBRY to reach new audiences and promote their products. Look for opportunities to collaborate with brands on sponsored content or product reviews. This can help you generate additional revenue while also providing value to your audience. 6. Offer exclusive content. Offering exclusive content to your subscribers can help you generate recurring revenue on LBRY. This could be anything from behind-the-scenes footage, early access to new content, or special discounts on merchandise. By providing value to your subscribers, you can build loyalty and generate more revenue over time. 7. Use LBRY's referral program. LBRY has a referral program that allows users to earn LBRY credits, LBC, for referring new users to the platform. These credits can be used to purchase content on LBRY or withdrawn as cash through various cryptocurrency exchanges. By promoting LBRY to your followers and friends, you can earn additional revenue through this program. 8. Participate in LBRY contests. LBRY regularly hosts contests and challenges that offer prizes in LBC. These contests can help you generate additional revenue by encouraging your followers to engage with your content and share it with their own networks. 9. Use LBRY's tipping feature. LBRY's tipping feature allows users to send small amounts of LBC to creators as a way of showing appreciation for their content. By encouraging your followers to tip you, you can generate additional revenue on a regular basis. 10. Use LBRY's affiliate program. LBRY's affiliate program allows users to earn a commission on the sales of LBRY-branded merchandise. By promoting this merchandise to your followers, you can generate additional revenue while also providing value to your audience. 11. Use LBRY's partnership program. LBRY's partnership program allows users to earn a share of the revenue generated by their content on the platform. By partnering with LBRY, you can generate additional revenue while also benefiting from the platform's marketing and promotional efforts. 12. Use LBRY's community building features. LBRY provides a range of community building features that can help you generate additional revenue on the platform. These include forums, groups, and chat rooms that allow users to connect with each other and share their content. By building an active community around your content, you can generate additional revenue through sponsorships, partnerships, and other revenue-generating opportunities.